Hello? Anybody here?
Hello.
Oh, hello. Who are you?
I am an African wild dog.
African wild dog. Lovely to meet you. And where are you from, Mr. African wild dog?
Eastern coastal Africa.
Oh wow, Eastern coastal Africa. It must be really warm there. What's the climate like?
Yeah. Warm and tropical.
Warm and tropical. Wow. Okay. And what kind of habitats do you live in?
Grassland. Desert. A forest like this gorgeous one.
Oh, like this one. It is a very nice forest. Very nice. And Mr. Wild Dogs, what kind of things do you like eating? What do you want for dinner?
Gazelles, loads of types of antelope, and big mammals if they're injured or sick,
Oh, why if they're injured or sick?
because they're easier to catch.
Oh, I see. Okay. Anything else?
Insects like and rodents and birds and lizards.
Oh, wow. Gosh, quite a diverse range of food then.
Yeah.
And Mr. Wild Dog, a few fun facts, if you don't mind. I've heard you've got toes that are slightly different to normal dogs.
Yes, I've got 4 toes, but normal dogs only have 5.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And I hear you can run really fast.
Yeah. Precisely 44 miles an hour.
44 miles an hour. Wow, that is amazing.
Yep.
How many animals normally live in your pack? How many dogs are there normally?
15 to 60. That reminds me. Where is my pet? Hello? Hello? Don't know.
You lost them.
Yeah.
Maybe they're jealous of your celebrity status.
Yeah.
How many have you got in your family at the moment?
About 55.
55. Wow, that's a big pack. It must be a really lovely place to live, is it?
No.
Oh, why not?
Because humans are taking our territory or habitat and making houses or homes for them to live in.
Oh dear, they're taking your space.
Yes.
Oh, that's really bad. And what happens if you encounter those farmers?
They will shoot us,
Yeah.
or sometimes they will come with their dogs, so the dogs will give us diseases that our internal system cannot fight.
Oh dear, so you're getting sick.
Yes.
Oh, that's really
Or we
bad.
could be shot.
Or you could be shot. Oh gosh, it sounds like a terrible place to live. So really little space, and the space you do have, you might get attacked in.
Yeah.
And so what would you like to see done about that?
I would like to see bigger and more wildlife protection corridors, which will let us walk from one place of land to another, and education for farmers in how to look after their livestock, handle their livestock.
So basically, you just need more space, and you need the farmers to stop killing you. Is that it?
Yeah.
Gosh, it seems simple, doesn't it?
Yes, but it is not.
Is it not happening?
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Wild Dog. It's been lovely interviewing you today, though.
Thank you.